Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to new video story with Sani. I think you're having a very good time, right? So as you can see guys, I'm pedaling cycle and the circumstances, natural beauty, amazing. So it was a pouring rain, so for this reason actually you can see it might be dark, and the sky is full of clouds, right? And the wind is going rapidly, the circumstances, and it's actually overall the view, it's mind-blowing. In a word, it's a mind-blowing. Okay, so right now I have come here to make video, and when I was at my when I at my home, I was thinking that I have to come in the outside to make video, so I have come here to make video. And you know that, oh my god, actually after coming here I'm feeling excited to make video because of the circumstances, and I'm getting afraid uh, because maybe after a few minutes it will be raining. So for this reason actually I have to go, and right now I'm going home. Okay, so guys, those are watching this video, if you like my video, and you know better, you know me very well, because I'm passionate about learning English as well as making video, and when I get time I try to make video, right? Just today I'm not going to talk about any kinds of activity, or I'm not going to give you tips and tricks how to make video, how to speak English, right? Already I have made so many video and I have uploaded. If you want, you can get my on my channel. Okay, so I'm just try to show you, try to capture this natural beauty. It's amazing. And I'm playing the cycle along the Paravilles. As you can see, the Paravilles is a small Paravilles here. It's not huge, and beside the Paravilles there are one wall, and inside the wall actually there is a government area. Okay, so there's a thing actually, and if I will show in front of me what is going on here, as you can see the natural beauty. Before earlier I mentioned that it was a pouring rain, that's why the water is here. Okay, so oh my god, it's a one bird, so flying in the sky. I'm just trying to show you the natural beauty. Okay, so Allahu Akbar. Actually if you will not come before after raining, actually you will not understand it, you will not think wow, how is it beautiful, how look like the natural, right? Okay, so I don't want to make it longer. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.